Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to stop Instagram from sharing posts to Facebook. The first option, delink Facebook and Instagram. We will delink Facebook with Instagram for good so the two accounts have nothing to do with each other. No sharing and no caring. So first, tap on your profile icon in the bottom bar and select Settings and Privacy, or the three-bar icon. Tap on Account Center at the top of the screen and select Accounts. Tap on Remove next to the account that you want to delink. Then, select Remove Account option. Tap on Continue on the next screen and then select Remove Account Name option. Your Instagram account is delinked from your Facebook account. Nothing you post on Instagram will be shared on Facebook automatically now. But you can sign in using Facebook credentials either. That means you need to sign in using your email ID or number and password instead. The second option, disable automatically sharing posts, stories, and reels. First, on the settings and privacy, or the three bar, tap on Account Center at the bottom of the screen and then tap on Sharing Across Profiles and then select the Instagram account that you want to stop sharing to Facebook. Scroll a little and you will see Automatically Share section. Disable your Instagram story, your Instagram post, and your Instagram Reels. Make sure that the correct Facebook profile is selected. The third option, control sharing on individual post, story level. When you begin adding an image or video on Instagram as a post by tapping on the plus icon, you will come across the share screen right after adding filters and effects. This is where you can toggle off share to Facebook option. Tap on Advanced Settings to disable Automatically Share option as well if it is enabled by chance. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.